back, students. In this class we continue coordinate geometry chapter 7 exercise 7.3. Here the first question is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. So the vertices is given, so we have to find out the area of the triangle. So we'll first write down the vertices 2, 3 and B is equal to -1, 0 and C is equal to 2, -4. So these are the vertices. Then coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, then this one is x3, y3. So we'll write down this here. X1 is equal to 2, then x2 is equal to -1, x3 is equal to 2. So y1 will be, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 0 and y3 is equal to -4. So we'll find out the area of the triangle ABC. ABC is equal to, what is the formula? Of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 is equal to y1 minus y2. Now substitute all the values here. So therefore of into, we'll substitute the values, that is 2 into 0 plus 4 plus -1 -4 -3 plus 2 into 3 minus 0. So therefore y1 minus, that is y2, 3 minus 0. Now we'll simplify. Actually this is determinant, this is not square bracket. So we're just writing of into, we'll simplify all this, 2 into 4 plus -1 into -7 plus 2 into 3. Now of into 8 plus 7, that is 7 into -7 into -1 is 7 plus 2 3s are 6. Add all this, we'll get 1/2 is equal to into 21. Finally we'll get 21/2, or we can write it as 10.5 divide this square units. So this is the first problem. In the first problem, that is the first sub problem. So we move on to the second one, second sub problem. So second set of the values are, see here the vertices are given -5, -1, 3, -5 and 5 and 2. So we'll start the problem. We'll write A is equal to -5 -1, B is equal to 3 -5, then C is equal to 5, 2. Then what are the coordinates? x1, y1, x2, y2, then x3, y3. Therefore write down the values. x1 is equal to -5, x2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 5. Therefore y1 is equal to -1, y2 is equal to -5 and y3 is equal to 2. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to, write down the formula of into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values. So of into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. Then simplify this. Of into minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4. Again further simplify, that is of into 5 7s are 35, minus minus will become plus 35 plus this one 3 into 3 9 plus 5 4s are, that is 20. Now add all these values, so we'll get of into how much, adding all this we'll get 64. There is 35 plus 9 is 44, 44 plus 20 will be 64. So of into we'll get 64, that is 64 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 32s are. Finally we are getting 32 square units. So this completes the first problem. So vertices are given. Take the coordinates of each vertex x and y. Here x1, x2, x3. Since the 3 vertices, we have to find the area of the triangle. So take all the values x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. We have the formula area of the triangle ABC of into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. After this, substitute all the given values here, then simplify this. Finally we'll get 64 by 2, then divided by 2 we'll get 32 square units. So this completes the first problem. So we move on to the second one. Second problem is, in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So here we have to find the value of k in each case. So what are the coordinates given? A is equal to 7 comma minus 2, B is equal to 5 comma 1 and C is equal to 3 comma k. The coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So we have the formula, then we will write x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 5, x3 is equal to 3. Therefore y1 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to 1 and y3 will be is equal to k. So now we have the formula to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC will take. Next, substitute the value. The formula is x1 into y1 minus y3 so this is the formula, x1 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x2 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the formula because here k is unknown and given points what they have given which points are collinear. Given points are collinear means points lie on the same straight line. Points are collinear. So what we have to take the formula? So the area of the triangle will be, area of the triangle ABC will be 0. So given points are collinear, so we have to take this formula. So when all the points are in same line, this is equal to 0. After this, substitute the values. 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1, then 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 3. Then simplify this, we'll get 7 minus 7k, this is k, plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. So take all the unknowns one side and all the numbers other side, add all this and simplify, we get 17 minus 7 minus 2k, then 8, simplify these two, we get 8 minus 2k, finally 2k is equal to 8, then 2k is equal to 8 means k is equal to 8 by 2. So now 2 ones are 2 4s are. Finally value of k is equal to 4. So we move on to the next one, next sub problem, that is second problem and the second main sub problem. So here the what is this given is same thing, this is also collinear, points are collinear lying on the same straight line. So what are the vertices? A, B is equal to k minus 4 and C is equal to 2 minus 5. Then x1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to k, then x3 is equal to 2. Therefore y1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to minus 4, y3 is equal to minus 5. Now the same formula as we used in the previous first problem, y2 minus y3, triangle ABC is equal to 0, since the points are collinear. x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 is y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substitute the values. Therefore 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now 8 into, further simplification, for the simplification 8 minus 8 plus minus 6 k into minus 6 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 0. Now further simplify, minus 8 plus minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. Now simplify all these unknowns and numbers, will get 2 here. 2 minus 6k will get is equal to 0. Then 2 is equal to 6k. Therefore 6k is equal to 2. Then k is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Therefore final value of k is 3. So this is the solution for the second problem. We completed in this class the first 2 sub problems and second 2 sub problems. If you have any doubt, comment me. Subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.